Welcome to lesson 4 on guitar chart symbols. Our first symbol is an open cycle above a string. It simply means play this string without pressing any fret. So it means play it without pressing any fret. Now this is better understood in context. Now we are going to go back to our lesson 2. This is where it will make sense now. Let's use a separate paper. Now we are going to use string. We'll take the string symbol and draw. Six. So this is this. And then the fret, we said the fret will be going horizontal. Horizontal. This is what we have simply done. We have taken the strings, these strings, and had them here vertical. We have taken the fret that are horizontal and we have them here horizontal. So this is what we have now here. The vertical are the strings, then the horizontal are the frets. So one thing is still left, and that is the knot. If we observe here, our knot is thicker than the fret. So we'll come back here and make our knot thicker. So with this now, we have combined this lesson 2, taken the strings, the fret, and the knot in order to create this. So this is where this one came from. So we are now going to use this on in our lesson 4 now to demonstrate this open cycle. Now it means play this string without pressing any fret. For instance, if we are given a chart this way and we have this open cycle all above the fret, what is the meaning? It simply means play this string without pressing any fret. So this is what we have, and we are told to play it without pressing any fret. So the presence of this open cycle above the guitar chart simply means play it without touching anything. So that's what we have done. We have just interpreted what is here. Play it without touching, without pressing the fret. Simple. So that's what we did. And by doing this, we have actually played something. We have played E, we have played A, we have played D, we have played G, we have played B, and we have played E. So play this string without pressing any fret. So this is exactly what we are doing. play it without touching any fret. That's what it means. E, A, D, G, B, E. So the second symbol is the symbol of X, and it also normally appears above the guitar chart. So this is one of the symbols that appears above the guitar chart. So if it means do not play this string, that means if we cross all, do not play this string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it simply means do not play these strings. It's like the opposite of this. This one, play it, but do not touch. This is do not play this string. So this is the meaning. So the guitar should remain that way. So anytime we see this X above any string, it means we should not play the string. Hey, but we're here to play. So let's find a way that at least we can be able to play. Please do subscribe. Okay, we have this here, this. Now let's mix it up with at least an opportunity to play. Okay, let's do this, and then now can we play this one on our guitar? Try playing out this one using the knowledge of play without pressing, do not play. Now combine the two and see. So the number 6 string we are not to play is X. Number 5 string is X. So we play the 4. We play the 3. We don't play the 2. Then we play the 1. Okay. Now these two normally appear above the chart. They appear above the chart in this way. So now we have our third symbol, which is tick. It's a tick is the same like this open O, but it is tick. Normally dark tick this way. Okay. This particular symbol means place your finger on the fret and then play it. It means place your finger. Now finger has come. So that means we have to know where fingers go and where they don't go. So this means place finger. That is one command. Place finger. Then play. So it means press finger on it and then play. And I urge you to be familiar with the drawing of this note, of this chart, because you'll be drawing a lot of them. And it's like the alphabet. Okay. Now, by saying place your finger and play. Place finger, play. Okay, so if for instance we have here, tick one here. Okay, so automatically it means play. Okay, and then we have X here, and we have mm, and we have O here. We have another X here, X here. How will you interpret this? So 6 we don't touch, the 5th we don't touch, then the 4th without touching we'll play it, then 3rd we don't touch, and then the 2nd. Now you see where the dot is. The dot is on the first fret, 2nd string. So this is the meaning. Now the next question is, it is not indicated. We have so many fingers, so they need to tell us which finger we need to use to play that particular fret. So is it this finger? Is it this finger? Is it this finger? Or is it this finger? So that is the next question, and that leads us into our next lesson. So if you see a fret that is not indicated, either with X or with the open O, please, it means just play it. It means it's an open key. So it's another way of saying it's an open key. If it is not indicated, it should be played. Do subscribe, and let's move into our next lesson, which now will be addressing the fingers. As we can see, the need for the finger now has come. So if you see, we moved from symbols that appear on top of the fret. So this symbol appeared on top of the fret. The X symbol appeared also on top of the fret. And now the dark 0, which means place finger and play, now appeared on the fretboard. So it is a fretboard symbol. This is above the chart symbol. This is fretboard. So now when we go to the finger, we want to find out, do fingers appear on top here? Do they appear on the fretboard, or do they appear at the bottom here, or do they appear to the right, or do they appear to the left? If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, write your comments, and let's move into our next lesson. That is lesson 5 on the fingers. Every great guitarist was once a beginner who did not skip lessons. See you in the next lesson. Share with somebody, and above all, write a comment. Thank you.